Hello friends, in Maths class 12 chapter 4 determinant. Today we will study the minors and cofactor of determinants. So minor of element aij. Suppose we have given determinant a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, a33. Then any elements minor we want to find out. Then suppose we want to find out minor of aij. Then we delete the ith row and jth column, and remaining elements gives us a determinant. That determinant is called the minor of the element. So suppose we want to find out minor of second row first element, means a21. Then second row and first column we delete, then we get a12, a13, a32, a33 is the minor of the a21. And so minor of the element means the element containing row and column we delete, and remaining elements gives us a determinant. That determinant is known as the minor of the element. Suppose we want to find out minor of a33. Then a33 containing row, column and row we delete, then we get determinant a11, a12, a21, a22. This is called minor of the determinant. Now cofactor of determinant or cofactor of element. So if the cofactor of element aij, so minor of aij multiply by minus 1 raised to I plus j, where I is the row number, j is the column number, minus 1 raised to I plus j, then whatever value we get, it is called cofactor of element. And so cofactor of element means minor of aij multiply minus 1 raised to 1 plus j, I plus j. And so if we want to get the cofactor of a21, then we have the already minor a12, a13, a32, a33, that will multiply by minus 1 raised to now 2 1, so second row plus 2 plus 1, and so it is called the minor of the, so it will be minus a12, a13, a32, a33, then it will be called cofactor of a21. Same way a33 is cofactor we want to find out, then minor is a11, a12, a21, a22 multiply by minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3, 3, so 3 plus 3, then we get here plus, because minus 1 raised to even power, that will be plus a11, a12, a21, a22. This will be called as the cofactor of a33. So let's see the example of minor and cofactor. Suppose we have determinant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if we want to find out minor of 7, so minor of 7 means 7 containing column and row we delete, then we get the matrix 2, 3, 5, 6. So it is 2, 6 and 12 minus 50, that is minus 2, and minor of 7 is minus 3. Now cofactor of 7 means minus 1 is to row number plus column number. So 7 is the first column and third row. So 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3, or then it will be minus 1 raised to 4 and here into minus 1 raised to row number 3 column number 1, so 3 plus 1 into the minor of 7, so minus 1 raised to 4 into minus 3, because minor already we have calculated, and so minus 1 raised to 4 1 into minus 3, it will be minus 3. Second, we want to find out minor of 1. Then 1 containing row and column will leave. Then it will be 5, 6, 8, 9. So 45 minus 48 minus 3. And so cofactor of 1 equals to minus 1 raised to first row first column, so 1 plus 1 into minus 3. So minus 1 square, that is 1 into minus 3 minus 3. Suppose you want to find out the cofactor and minor of 6, and minor of 6 equals to 6 containing row and column will remove, then 1 to 7 it will get, and so it is 8 minus 40, it is minus 6. So cofactor of 6 is equals to minus 1 raised to 6 containing second row third column, so minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 into cofactor minor, it is minus 6, and so minus 1 raised to 5, that is minus 1 into minus 6, so it is 6. Now suppose we multiply and determinant by same rows cofactor, then what happens? So suppose we have the determinant D, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now determinant D multiply with the same rows cofactor, means first row's element are multiplied with the first row's cofactor, means A11 into A11, A12 into A12 and A13 into A13. Then what do we get? So let me see. So A11, now A11 means minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, and A11 means A11 containing row and column we remove, then A22, A23, A32, A33 we are getting, plus A12. So now capital A12 is the first row second element cofactor, so that is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2, and for that A12 containing row and column we remove, then we get A21, A31, A23, A33 plus A13 into capital A13 means the capital of A13, cofactor of A13. So cofactor of A13 we want to find out, then we remove the third column and first row, then we get A21. So here minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3, A21, A22, A31, A32. So here we can see that minus 1 raised to 2 means it gives us A11, A22, A23, A32, A33. Minus 1 raised to 3, that is minus A12, A21, A23, A31, A33 plus minus 1 raised to 4, that is equal to, so A13 into A21, A22, A31, A32, which is the expansion of the determinant D, and so we can write that D. So whenever we multiply each row by its own row cofactors, then we get the determinant D. And so whenever we multiply each row by its own factors cofactor, then the value of the determinant D we are getting. Now let's see the determinant, say any row is multiplied by other row's cofactor, then what will be the value of the determinant? So if we take A11, first row elements are multiplied by second row's cofactor, means A11 into A21 plus A12 into A22 plus A13 into A23. Then A11, now A21 is the second row, so minus 1 is to 2 plus 1, and here minus 1 is to 2 plus 1, A21 cofactor we want, so A12, A13, A32, A33 plus A12, now second A22 cofactor we want, so minus 1 is to 2 plus 2, and here A22, so A11, A13, A31, A33, and A13 into minus 1 is to 2, 3, so minus 1 is to 2 plus 3, and A23 is cofactor, so A11, A12, A31, A32, and so we can minus 1 is to 2 plus 1, so minus A11, A12, A13, A32, A33, minus 1 is to 4, so plus A12, A11, A13, A31, A33, and minus 1, so that is minus A13, A11, A12, A31, A32. So this can be considered as the expansion of A11, A12, A13, A11, A12, A13, A31, A32, A33. By the second to be expanded minus A11, A12, A13, A32, A33. Then plus A12, A11, A13, A31, A33, and minus A13 and A11, A12, A31, A32. Means here we are getting two rows are equal, and whenever in determinant two rows are equal, answer of determinant is 0. And so we can say that whenever any row is multiplied by other row's cofactor, then determinant the solution will be 0. So here we can conclude that if a row is multiplied by the same row's cofactor, then we get the determinant D, and if it is multiplied by the other rows of column's cofactor, then we will get the answer 0. Now we have the question exercise 4.4. Question 1 is where write a minor and factor of 2 by 2 determinants. So first determinant is given 2, 0, minus 4, 3, and second determinant is given A, C, B, D. So minor of 2. So 2 containing row and column we remove, and it is 3. Minor of 0. Then it is 0 containing row and column we remove, then minus 4. Minor of minus 4, then it is 0, and minor of 3, then it is only 3 containing row and column we remove, then 2. And so cofactor of 2. So minor into row containing, so minor is 3 into minus 1 is to first row, first column 1 plus 1. So minus 1 is to 2, that is 1 into 0, 3. Cofactor of 0. So it is minus 4 into minus 1 raised to first column, second row. So 2 plus 1. So minus 4 into minus 1. It is for cofactor of minus 4. Then here 0 into minus 1 raised to first row, second column, so 1 plus 2, so 0 into minus 1, that is 0, and cofactor of 3. So 3, that is 2 into minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2, second row, second column, and so 2 into 1, which is 2. So like this way we can find out the cofactors and minors of ABCD also. Now question 2. Again we have to find out minor and cofactor, but this is 3 by 3. So first question we have 1 0 0, 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Second question we have 1 0 4, 3 5 minus 1 and 0 1 2. So each element's minor we find out. So minor of 1, then 1 containing row and column we take, then it is 1 0 0 1. So 1 minus 0, it is 1. Minor of 0 of the first row, second column. So it is this 0 we remove, and then we get here 0 0 0 1, and so it is 0. Minor of 0. So we will, these zeros minor we want, then 0 containing row and column we remove, then 0 1 0 0, it is 0. So minor of each 0 you will get 0 0 0 1, and so minor of each 0 will be 0, while minor of 1 will be 1. So cofactor of this one, cofactor of 1 in the first row, so minus 1 is to 1 plus 1 into 1, it is minus 1 square, so it is even, and so it will be 1. And cofactor of each 0, so minus are 0, so 0 into anything we take minus 1 is to I plus j, any element, it will be 0. So cofactor of each 0 will be 0, and cofactor of 1 will be 1. Let's we see the here minus of 1 0 4. So minor of 1, it will be 1 containing row and column we remove, then 5 1 minus 1 2, and so it is 10 minus minus plus 1 11. Minor of 0 will be, minor of 0 will be 0 containing row and column we remove, 3 minus 1 0 2, it is 6 minus 0, so 6. Minor of 4, 3 5 0 1, so 3 minus 0, so 3. Minor of 3, that is 0 4 1 2, and so 0 minus 4, that is 4 minus 4. Minor of 5, so 5 containing row and column we take, then 1 4 remove, then 1 4 0 2, and so it will be 2 minus 0, so 2. Minor of minus 1 we write, then minus 1 containing row and column we remove, then we get 1 0 0 1. So it is 1 minus 0 1. Minor of 0 and 0 containing row and column we remove. Then 0 5 4 minus 1 we are getting. So 0 minus 20. So it is minus 20. So minor of 1. This one, then 1 containing row and column we remove. Then it is 1 4 3 minus 1. So it is minus 1 minus 12 minus 30. And minor of 2 equals to 2 containing row and column we remove. Then 1 0 3 5. So 5 minus 0 is 5. Now cofactor of each. So a1 1. So minor into minus 1 is to 1 plus 1. So it will be, now cofactor will keep in mind plus minus plus, minus plus minus, and plus minus plus. Like this way sign will come. So here plus sign into 11. So 11 minus sign into 6. So a1 2 will be minus 6 plus into 3. So a1 3 will be 3. a2 1. So it is minus 4 into minus, so it is 4. a2 2. So it is 2 into plus, so it is 2. a3 3. Sorry, a2 3. That is minus into plus 1. That is minus 1. And a3 1. Then plus into minus 20. So minus 20. a3 2. Minus into minus 13, it is 13, and a3 3, that is plus into 5, so 5. So whenever we want to write cofactor, first we will write out all the minus and we will list out a1 1, a1 2, a1 3, a2 1, a2 2, a2 3, a3 1, a3 2, a3. Then we plus minus plus, like that way with the sign we will multiply, then we will get the cofactor. Now question number 3 we have, using the cofactor of second row, evaluate determinant 5 3 8 2 0 1 1 2. So using the cofactors of the second row, we want to evaluate D. So we know that whenever second row multiplied by the second row's cofactor, then we get the determinant value. So 2 into cofactor of 2, 0 into cofactor of 0, and 1 into cofactor of 1. And so we can write 2 into a21 plus 0 into a22 plus 1 into a23. So 2 into a21 means minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1, and 2 1 containing row and column we remove. 3 8 2 3 plus 0 into anything 0 plus 1 into minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3, second row and column, 1 containing row and column we remove. Then 5 3 1 2. So it will be minus 1 raised to 3 minus 2 into 9 minus 16. That is minus 7 plus 0 minus 1 into 10 minus 3. So minus 40 minus minus plus 14 minus 7, it is 7. Now we are given the next question that determinant D is given 1 1 1 x y z y z z x x y, and say that using the third column cofactor D evaluate this. So third column cofactor means yz into a13 plus zx into a23 plus xy into a33. So yz into a133. a13 means 1 by 1z, and 1 plus minus 1 is to 1 plus 3 is plus sign, plus zx into a23. So minus 1 is to 2 plus 3, so minus sign it is, and it is zx containing 2 and column, so 1x 1z, and here plus xy into here 1x 1y, and minus 1 is to 3 plus 1 4. So it is yz into z minus y minus zx into z minus x plus xy into y minus x. So each element we multiply inside by square by z square minus y square z minus z square x plus zx square plus xy square minus x square y. So z square containing two terms we write together. X square containing terms we write. Sorry, first we write x square containing terms together. So zx square minus x square y plus, here we will arrange z minus y common, so yz square minus y square z. So these two terms come, and here these two terms we write together, xy square minus z square x. So from these two terms x square common, so z minus y. From these two terms yz common, so z minus y, and from these two terms x common, y square minus z square. So here x square z minus y plus yz z minus y, and here plus x y minus z y plus z. So z minus y, from each term we take out common, and x square plus yz minus x into y plus z, because here y minus z is there. And so we simplify this bracket, then we will get z minus y x square plus yz minus xy minus xz. So x square and xy we write together, and yz and minus z xz we write together. Then z minus y here x square minus xy plus yz minus xz. So z minus y, here x common, x minus y, here minus z common, then x minus y, and so we will get z minus y, x minus y common, x minus z, and so answer is z minus y, x minus y, x minus z. So this term we take out minus common, and this term, so we can write that x minus y, y minus z, and z minus x. Now we have the fifth question. Delta A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 is given. Then Aij is the cofactor of Aij. Then delta is given by. So we know that same row and column multiply same rows cofactor multiply, then we get the determinant value. So here A11 D option is there, which is multiplied by the same rows cofactor, and so answer is the D.